words of gratitude. Ladies and gents, pakinggan po natin tonight our debutant for her words of thanks.
Good evening po kay Kayungan. Masayang-masaya ako po na akit na kayo po ngayon aldong ini. Munang-muna po, bisa ko pong magpasalamat kang God dahil malyari makantini nung ali kayo. Salamat din po karayanggang minta dahil maging part na ko po ng celebration ko. At bukod po ka rin, buri ko lang naman pong pasalamatan ng parents ko. Lalong-lalo na po kang mama ko. Dahil August pa mo po, po may papatudtud. Dahil po, excited niya pa po ako. Pero anyways, tintutunan po niyan, talagang pinush na pong mama ko ini at peghandaan dahil buri na ako pong maging happy at matupad din ka akong wish. Yang minsan po kakatakya po ako na mapagal po ang pong magastos po kanoin kakong buri. Pero tinupad na pa rin po, kaya sobrang a-appreciate ko itama. Thank you din po kareng tito at tita ko, kareng pinsan ko at pati kareng apo ko. Kareng friends ko na kahit balo ko, at ilang klase today, mitala pa din para kako. Thank you kaya kayo. Keng BF ko syempre dahil sobrang hands-on niya keng gana-gana. Since the day ng pictorial ko, Jamba Bagyo, sinopan na ako pa din at hanggang yan. At special mention din po, keng makeup artist ko, Danny Cabansil, keng kakong photographer, Anton Jan Peña, kang Cap Leonard, kareng kakong bonggang gown, at lastly, keng kakong MC, Sir Casey Tukut, dahil maging powerful at successful in kakong birthday celebration. Dakal na dakal pong salamat kaya Kayungan.
We are also privileged to be part of this celebration. And before I end, may I request those mentioned suppliers, let us join our celebrant here for the photo opportunity. Miss Danny Cabansil, our official hair and makeup artist. Sir Anton Jan Peña, our photographer. Sir Captain Leonard Saplu, a classmate gown or shop. Rowen Soriano, the designer. DJ Johnny for the lights and sound, and to the management of Sandok sa Kusina. May we have a photo opportunity with the celebrant for the success of our event tonight. Nandito pa po ba sila? So I guess, mahihayin yata yung mga suppliers. Anyway, so in behalf of our celebrant Laika, muli, maraming salamat po for being part of this celebration. Truly, God is so great for this amazing opportunity that we have. We've seen great things transpire this evening. We've seen the art of presentation, God to its magnificence. Her life to live for its fullest. We share ourselves with one another. Once again, this has been your host. My name is Casey Dukot. Now, signing off. Maraming salamat. Ingat po sa pag-uwi. To God be the highest glory. Happy birthday, Laika! of them all. Do you agree with me? Siya yung pinakamaningning ngayong hapon na to. Exactly my point. Laika, she is shining, shimmering. Other members of the candles, please join our celebrant here. And maybe request for a lighter. Jets? Ma'am Rachel, paso yung lighter. Alright, let us wait for the lighting of the candles. May we request a happy birthday songs to our DJ. And together, we will be singing a happy birthday song for our celebrant tonight. Alright, so I guess all the candles were able to light. They are lighted already. All together attendees tonight, let us sing a happy birthday song for our shining, shimmering, splendid Laika Music DJ.